Now, despite a record voter turnout in the recently concluded elections in Jammu and Kashmir, the people are still waiting for a new government in the state. People in the flood-affected areas are unhappy with political parties for not taking enough initiative to form the government. The business community was especially hoping for the new government to take charge and kickstart the reconstruction and rehabilitation in flood-affected areas.
ये तो आपस में सौदेबाजी कर रहे हैं, कहाँ सोच रहे हैं? तो यहाँ तो गरीब लोग मर रहे हैं, यहाँ तो आवाम मर रहे हैं। आपने खुद देखा होगा इस सैलाब से यहाँ कितनी परेशानी उठानी पड़ी। इनके जब से नई मतलब ये सरकार बनाने में लगी है, लोग ज्यादा ही मुसीबत में पड़ गए, ज्यादा ही प्रॉब्लम में आ गए। बस हम यही कहना चाहते हैं जल्द से जल्द कुछ लोगों को फायदा होना चाहिए।
ये लोग हुकूमत बनाने में लगी है और हुकूमत बनती ही नहीं। हम लोगों को हमने वोट डाले थे इसलिए कि हमें कुछ फायदा आ जाएगी, कोई फायदा नहीं हुआ है। ये लोग अपने ये वो कहते हैं हम बनेंगे, ये कहते हैं हम बनेंगे, बनाते ही नहीं, हमें कुछ फायदा होता ही नहीं। हम गरीब लोग मर रहे हैं।
लगता है कि इसमें कुछ समय लगेगा, लेकिन मुझे मायूस होने की कोई ज़रूरत नहीं। हमें इस बात का एहसास है कि लोग चाहते हैं कि उन्होंने वोट दिया, बहुत बढ़ चढ़ के वोट दिया, तो और हुकूमत बननी चाहिए थी अब तक। हम ऐसी हुकूमत बनाना चाहते हैं जो महज नाम की हुकूमत न हो, नुमाइश के लिए न हो, बल्कि ऐसी हुकूमत हो जो कुछ काम कर सके।
All right, Shuja ul Haq now joins us from Jammu for all the latest. Now, Shuja, there is an obvious sense of disappointment as far as the the voters are concerned in the valley, particularly in the valley, because they were expecting a sort of a political solution to their problems. But it seems that the political class, despite the fact that a recommendation has been moved for governor's rule, there is still a scope or talk about some sort of a reconciliation.
Well, Sanket, you're bang on when we talk about the kind of expectations that the people of Jammu and Kashmir, particularly the people of Valley, had from these elections. Remember, we've seen the record number of people coming out and voting, and the most important thing that was in their minds that we have also reported was the kind of enthusiasm about the possibility of a new government which could probably end their problems. Let's look at it from their perspective. We are not only talking about a state which has been in a political turmoil for several decades, but also a state which has seen one of the most devastating floods in last 60 years. So there were added reasons why people needed a very robust government in place. But it has been more than 17 days now, and the political bickering between the political parties doesn't seem to be ending, and there doesn't seem to be any solution at sight at this moment. And the fact that Umar Abdullah decided to step down as the caretaker chief minister has left the entire establishment in a state of dilemma. And now people are only looking at the possibility of governor's rule, which could at least bring some sort of a sense of administration in general for people for as long as a better sense prevails and a new government is established.